child abduction alert has been issued in the areas of Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, Walworth, Waukesha, Ozaki, and Washington counties for the following children: Zymir J. L. White, age 7, male black, 3 feet 10 inches tall, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Zari L. White, age 4, female black, 3 feet 25 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Zamari L. White, age 2, female black, 2 feet, black hair, brown eyes. And Zaki J. White, 6 months, 12 pounds. Children are missing from city of Racine, Wisconsin. Law enforcement authorities believe the children may be in the company of Ariana A. Boutwell, age 23, female black, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 150 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2016 red Chevy Sonic sedan, unknown Illinois temporary license plate. If you have any information on the whereabouts of the children, please contact City of Racine Police Department at 262-886-2300.
Not quite, whatever it is, 2,300.